Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from TCL Top 10 second generation. So if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when trying to visit any site, the spammy pop-ups, that means you have a notification virus, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, go to the apps and tap on the view all apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the update you have not installed by yourself, the update will not recognize name, just tap on it and select uninstall. Now click on the OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Go to the storage and cache and choose manage space. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that wait is zero for you, try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Sadly the Avast doesn't work with the landscape mode, so sorry about the rotation, but I think you can do it. Okay, now just skip and tap on the continue. Cancel the ad or just close it. And tap on the continue with ads. Now tap on the green circle and add a permission to the files by clicking the OK. And now click on the switcher. Then go back to the app. The scanning process starts automatically, and after that your tablet shall be free from any unwanted software that you have. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.